Oh man.
Cut the music off.
Baby?
Really?
Yeah.
Rich. Hey, what's up, man? Can you say V8 Tesla?
V8 Tesla.
V8.
V8 Tesla.
Ice-T is alive, baby. Believe that. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You're gonna see some dope behind the scenes, exclusive footage that you'll only see right here on Eric EVapors Stevenson's channel, man. Let's go. About to get on the highway, man. Have a little bit of fun. You know what I'm saying? Ice-T is alive. V8 Tesla, baby. Ice-T is alive. Both of them.
Yeah.
The brother Ice-T and the Tesla Ice-T. They both alive, man. Y'all see it right there. Amazing, man. Amazing. Frankenstein 2021. It's a V8 Tesla. Y'all hear it running, right? It's a V8 Tesla. I know that don't make sense, right? V8 Tesla. It does make sense. It does make sense. Because in America, you can do what your mind allows you to do. And when you have a closed mind, a lot of times you end up not doing those things you really wanted to do, or the things that you thought was possible, man. All things are possible, man. It starts in the mind, though. V8 Tesla. Tesla. It's frigid, but man, it's hot. It's hot, man. It's cold outside, but it's hot, baby. Let me tell you. And as you can hear, it's all real. It's all real. All right, guys, here we head over to the gas station. We got to fill her up, and everything doesn't go according to plan. Now, what you're gonna hear in this particular clip is somebody working at the gas station comes out and, you know, want to get involved and be a little, I think a little bit of rude. Maybe that's up north. I don't know. You be the judge and the jury.
Yeah, we're leaving in like 2 seconds. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's it. That's perfect. Yeah. No, you're good, man. Yeah, you're good. What does that mean?
Okay, guys, even though we're paying customers, here comes Karen.
Hey guys, why don't you go down to Cumberland's and do it, alright? We got customers that are going to be calling in.
Yeah, we're leaving in like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
That's it. You want to head back to the other place you were before? All right. What? Oh, you smell good. Yeah, that's
I bet you're turning it into fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look.
Look at Joshua, that little smirk. He's smirking. He's smirking.
I mean, it's been a couple of years. The dream became a reality.
Right here inside Iced Tea, man. We are inside Iced Tea that y'all saw on Rich Rebuild's channel, man. You seen some footage on my channel. It's just pretty cool, man, to be in a really, really dope V8 Tesla. Can you say that? Can you say V8 Tesla?
V8 Tesla.
V8.
V8 Tesla.
Did somebody say V8 Tesla?
You can say it.
You can say it.
You can definitely say it.
Yeah, man. V8 Tesla, man. This is dope, man. You guys, I wish you guys were here, but I'm bringing you here with me, okay? So technically, you are here inside of Iced Tea, man. Dope car all the way around, man. Real dope. Look at this thing, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. And we are here. Look at that. Who's changing gears in their Tesla? This is my friend Rich. We've been hanging out all day, man. Y'all know Rich Rebuilds. Make sure you subscribe to his channel if for some strange reason
I'm trying to grow. Just
he needs
help us out here. Okay?
He needs a few more subscribers.
Right.
Man. But I tell you what, I've had the best time, man. It's cold up here.
It's very cold.
I'm not used to this type of cold. I'm climatized for a more southern, warm type of cold.
Go get that white man I came here with.
Yeah.
That might be my blood type.
Yeah, that could be it.
Or it could be something a little bit deeper culturally. you
Right.
know.
Correct.
We'll leave that on the table.
Right.
But y'all, this is Iced Tea, man. We get to see it literally before a lot of people had a chance to see it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, let me bring my guy Steve on in. Steve,
Yeah.
get over here, guy. Come on, guys.
Yeah, I don't want to hear no more about it, okay?
Hey, I couldn't have done it without these two right here, man. And the guy holding the camera, man. My man Joshua, man. Joshua can drive a car. Let me tell y'all what this man can do. Joshua can drive. He can drive a car, y'all.
You can.
So if you ever need a driver, okay, call Joshua, man. But Steve-On, Rich,
555.
appreciate you.
555.
555. 555.
That's a lot of fives. 8675309.
You're not? Okay. Shout out to Pat's Garage, man. We wish you were here, man. We're
Right.
getting the
This is
band.
That'd be funny.
We're getting the band back together soon, man.
Yes.
Don't you worry, you're gonna be here for that, man. But it's
Okay.
your main man, EVapors, now known as Eric Stevenson. We're going with Eric Stevenson now, man. We're gonna go with a neutral name, okay? So
Right.
you guys are getting it here first on this episode. So when you see the banner changes and all those things, it's just me, baby, Eric Stevenson, man. Car connoisseur, lover of people,
Yes.
kind, considerate,
We could.
Tesla. Plug it in, like Blade. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
But we out of here.
Plug it in, plug it in.
Yeah.
Rich.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I don't have any money. I'm sorry, man.